Guys, we're back for another Minecraft episode, and I died. It's nighttime. Sorry about last episode. We're 6 and 7. I'm 67.
Did you guys see my square eggs I made?
Mr. Zombie. Okay. Oh, Mrs. Zombie. Good night. Wait for me. I got out of bed. I'm in the middle of the night. It's cold. Please. 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 I'm sleepy. Please. Please.
Look how cool they look on the inside.
And now I moved to bed. Now it's morning. We have spawn going down here. Mr. Zombie, why are you jumping?
That's all for me.
I love that. Jumpy. And sorry, but this is the end of the episode.
What?
All the time Mrs. Zombies jumped. End of the episode.